Hi guys, I haven't done a paper aeroplane video for a while. Spencer Hunt just put a video up of a paper aeroplane that he tried out, so that made me go and have a quick YouTube search. Found this one completely at random. I'm not sure if I've done this design before, but we'll have a go, see if we can hit the camera with it. There we go. We managed to hit the camera eventually. It's not the best one I've built, but it does work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.